heard this tune, sorry.
So I was in my college time.
Right. If you can hold the mic closer.
So I was in my college time, and I
Right.
was in the first session of my lab. That that
That's when
time
you
I
heard this for the
heard
first
this.
time. All right, there it is. So this is how this round goes. Thank you. For now, you may please take your seat. Let's have a round of applause once again, please. We will have more such tech tunes being played, but from those times to the times that we are living in and traversing this journey, I think you can just imagine the mammoth changes that have underwent. But this is the time we will let you get introduced to your next speaker, while we'll have more of those tech tunes played later. For now, the head of marketing at Lexicon Networks, Vinod Singh Rajpurohit, joins us on the stage. Please welcome him if you want the power of cloud integration to be discovered. Please welcome Vinod with a good round of applause. Vinod, hi, and a very, very good afternoon to you. Over to you.
Okay. Yeah. Good afternoon, all. First of all, thank you for being here. So today we had discussions on how we can set up cloud data centers. But one thing is missing, which is integration to those cloud and data centers. Like we are generating data across the business domain, we are generating data from different sources. But if that particular data is not integrated into a central system, then the data lies in data silos. So today I'll talk about the data integration. On the both part, the SaaS platform who provide integration services and the customer integration, which Lexicon Networks do. Yeah, so also I would like to thank my tech team and product team to pushing me in these technical presentations being a marketing person. Yeah. So Lexicon Networks, so it's a US-based company headquartered in Chicago, USA. We have operations in Pune, India, and Ontario, Canada. So our entire team is working remotely post-COVID. So we don't have a single person working from office. We have office for address purpose only. So how we managing that team? We are managing that team through our tech stack. So entire team operations, all the efficiencies, all the quality work is getting done through tech stack only. A bit about the company. So it's a 15-year-old company. We executed more than 200 projects across the globe, serving more than 200 clients, 5 lakh hours of working experience. And then we are the global partner for integration for IBM, Jitterbit, Celigo, and MuleSoft. So all the SaaS platform available for the integration purpose. This is the gist of our product. So we have good products in our kitty. Cifrus is a data visualization and reporting tool. It is a next step of Power BI, wherein you don't need to extract the data from data source and enter the data into Power BI or any tool which can give you reporting. Cifrus, so we have expertise in integration. So we created 1,500 plus APIs which can Cifrus integrate with and collect the data and give you the data visualization and reporting. Then we have Just Mama. So it's a suite of AI applications. You can do a lot of things, order management through, create order management app through this particular suite of applications, customer service, chatbots. You can even create some competition platform through this particular suite. Then we have DocuBucket.ai. So we all are living in a tech world wherein, if I would talk about an example of HR policy. So we have a HR policy of 20, 30 pages, but no employee read it fully, right? So when employee get to learn about that particular policy or a point in that policy is when they actually have the requirement of it. So DocuBucket.ai is a platform where you can upload all the policies and it can give you AI-powered answer of the exact question a person can ask. And then HPM app, so we have built it for a Spanish company, Spanish radio. So this particular app can take your radio broadcast to the internet, and it can give you a combined environment of all sort of content, which is video, audio, text, infographic. I'll quickly move to services, AI, ML development, application integration. So these all are our services in the Lexicon network. These are the clients we are serving currently. We have many more, but these are some of the key clients we are serving in India. Yes, so discover the power of cloud integration. So right now, as I said, we are generating data through different sources. Our data lies in silos. Uh, the difficulty of data sharing, we have hindered decision-making process. Manual workflows are creating another issues with the fluency and correct decision and the rightness of data. And then what is the need? So need is the automation of all these data into one integrated platform. So yes, so let's talk about the SaaS based integration platform. So we have Jitterbit, we have MuleSoft, IBM App Connect, Celigo, and open source like Apache Camel. These platforms are good, but these platforms comes with some sort of challenges. So although we are global partner for all these platforms, we are doing our integrations through these platforms, but we come across a lot of cases where a customer or a business says that the licensing fees of this platform is very high. If I have a small requirement of integration, why should I pay those high fees of this platform? Also, one more problem with this platform is this comes with a preset cloud solution, whether GCP, AWS, or Azure. So these preset cloud will give you, like you have your entire infrastructure on a GCP, and if Jitterbit comes with a different cloud, which is AWS or anything else, then you need to shift your entire set of to AWS to use the Jitterbit. So to overcome these challenges, we introduced the custom integration solution. So in custom integration solutions, we are using tools like Logic Apps, Power Automate, Azure Data Factory, Azure API management, then APG API management, Google Sub and Pub messaging, and serverless services. So what is the advantages of using custom integration? So leverages existing cloud platform. So whichever cloud platform you are on, we leverage that platform and create custom integration for you. Faster data pooling and loading process. So there's no delay in data pooling and loading because this integration works directly with your system. And then benefit like you can auto scaling serverless services, load balancing, and other integration requirement. One more thing in this is you can pay as you go model. So you don't need to hire an entire stake of integration for your organization. You have a small requirement, pay for the small requirement, and you can have that integration in place. So now I'll talk about use case because you all know about cloud and integration, so I'll not talk much about those. So I'll just talk about use cases. So first use case with the Life Fitness. Life Fitness is a brand working globally. So challenges was to manual update caused the inconsistencies, delays, complex data mapping, and errors at the large transaction level. Solution what we did that automated order and payment sync via IBM App Connect app. Real-time updates were there wherein HTTP request and details logging and error handling processes. So result was they have enhanced the efficiency with real-time data visibility. So now Life Fitness can have this entire data visibility from across globe. They have their stores globally. So all data is visible on real time. Manual entries is totally eliminated. So now their stores are fully automated. There's no manual entry is getting done in the store. So this is what the outcome of this particular case study. And then next is the Jitterbit-based solution with the Salesforce and NetSuite sync. So we come across a lot of use cases wherein ERP or CRM like Salesforce and SAP is there, and then other application at the e-commerce, WooCommerce site, or any other site wherein data is getting generated. So these are not connected internally. So we tried to connect it through Jitterbit. So this is for the Saber point. Again, the challenges was data inconsistency, complex catalog updates. So SaberPoint is a brand wherein fitness, they work in the fitness part. So their catalog and order and payment were not in the syncs, the high volume data was generated, API limits were there. So the solution we integrated for them is Salesforce CPQ with the NetSuite using Jitterbit. We automated their entire sync of accounts, contact, products, payment, enable the real-time update and scheduled processing. So build the robust error handling and data validation mechanism. Result was improved data accuracy and efficiency, real-time updates, ensuring better order payment and visibility, and then workflows. So next use case is ensuring the effective source. I'm running short of time, sorry. Effective source of target integration. So this is through EMEN APAC. So challenges was two major outages in 2021. So this ABSA is a bank, and they face this very challenge of, outgaze in 2021. Suppose that the entire operations were disturbed. So they approach us, and we did use Jitterbit for their end-to-end automation migration to the Jitterbit orchestration tool. Pre-built HTTP endpoints we have used for them to get their entire operation in the sinks, wherein error handling and predefined functions with the email notification of any changes going on. So result was a streamlined automated project project migration, save time and efforts of there, then minimized human error with the automated process. Jitterbit scheduler was placed to optimize their task execution and post-migration. And the next case is HNet Swiss. So here is we did the integration with NetSuite and Magento. So Magento, the challenge was Swiss was facing significant challenge to manual processes, resulting in inconsistencies in the inventory level like pricing, strategy, financial reporting, and then led to the operation inefficiencies and reduced the customer satisfaction. Solution, we have implemented the Jitterbit solution for them, and this is the result that they have got. So I quickly come to the customized integration case study. So all these were use cases used by tool like Jitterbit and App Connect. So in customize, there was seamless integration for the credit bureau. So this is Regent. Regent is a credit report provider. So they ask us that they want to sync 3 different credit bureaus, which is DNB, PayNet, and Experian. So syncing all these credit bureaus together and getting a report for a business, credit report for a business was a task. So we utilized different tool into it, like Azure API management for both SOAP and REST, then workflow automation we have created wherein logic apps were used. Robust storage solution we have provided with the Azure Bulb and table storage, and secure report access through the SaaS token. So result was the integration result efficiently processing their data, enabling quicker access and relevant company reports and analytics to decision making. So I'll quickly move to benefit of cloud integration. So efficiency, yes, you get efficiency after you integrate your cloud end-to-end. Scalability, so there's no limit to scale it. If you work in without integration or with limited API resource, there's a problem when you try to scale. But with this solution, you can scale and accuracy is maintained and customer experience. Obviously, if your entire business is in sync, then the experience you give to your customer is real-time good. Like, imagine a scenario where we put some transaction in a bank and we didn't get any notification from the bank for half an hour. So again, bridging the gap with our custom tech stack. So maximizing efficiency, faster data process, scalability and flexibility, API monitoring. So in our stack, the custom stack of integration, we do monitor all the APIs which are in place. And then cost efficiency, yes, you can save your cost by reducing the licensing, high licensing of the SaaS platform and tailor-made solutions. So we create integration for your business need, for your business requirement. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very, very much, Vinod, for representing Lexicon Networks. Thank you so much. I'm sure there was something to learn. We are going to set up the stage now. Vinod, if there's any questions, we'll request if you can take that offline. So thank you for understanding that bit. We are just, I guess, a few major minutes away from the awards presentation ceremony, but it's time to hear the tech tunes. And you raise your hand. Are we ready again? Are we ready again, ladies and gentlemen? Are we ready? We don't go ahead until unless I get a loud yes. Are we ready? Okay, can we have the music, please?